What's going on, guys? Top 8 penny stocks to buy. Now, I know you guys have been looking forward to these penny stocks videos, but let's clarify a few things. Top 8 penny stocks to buy. That title, to buy. When I put these videos there, I don't actually mean buy these stocks. You have to watch the rest of my videos. Buying penny stocks. What did we say about buying penny stocks? We only buy penny stocks when we're gonna trade them, not invest in them. Unless you're gonna invest only 5-10% of your portfolio if you have a big portfolio and you're swing trading. Otherwise, don't invest in penny stocks because we all know they're risky. So we only trade them, i.e. day trade them. The stocks that I give you are biopharma penny stocks. Why are they only biopharma penny stocks? Because we know the exact date they will spike in value, and I'm gonna give you that exact date. Okay? But just because I give you the exact date doesn't mean that you're done. Nah. The rest is on you. Analyzing. So these biopharma penny stocks will need to develop drugs and products. Remember, we've said this so many times now in my videos, but I have to come out with a disclaimer, I guess, to teach the new guys that have been watching my videos newly. So these biopharma penny stocks have to test drugs and products. In order to test those drugs and products, they have to go through trials and whatnot. Phase 1, Phase 2, Phase 3. Through those phases, they will update investors with results of how the drug went, how the product went, how the results came out, how the data came out. Was it successful? Did it come out positive data or negative data? So they will release an article on their company website, alright, on the dates that I'm going to give you. Your job is simple. Analyze, find out whether it was positive results or negative results or mixed. If it's positive, you buy the stock because it's going to spike. If it's negative, you short the stock because it's going to go down in value. If it's the mixed result, that means we have positive news and negative news. We stay on the sideline because we don't know which way the stock is going to go. Okay? So remember, my definition of penny stocks is anything that doesn't have revenue or a product or it's deep in losses. Or it's just in a development stage. So the stocks that I'm going to give you today, most of them are actually penny stocks and the rest are mid-cap stocks, low cap stocks, but they're also penny stocks to my definition because they don't have revenue. Maybe they have products, but they're still deep in losses. Maybe they're not profitable, but they also might be testing out new drugs and products. Well, it's not they might be, they are. That's why I give them in this video, is because these stocks are going through tests and trials for new products. So make sure you look at the pipeline for these stocks. What is a pipeline? That means the existing products and drugs. See if they have any drugs ready in the market and they're selling, because that makes it a better, I guess, decision when we're day trading. So first one, let's start from the bottom, guys. FBIO at $1.83. That's gonna be September 24th, and that's only preliminary results. See, I don't know how to say that word. Preliminary results. That means it's just a demo result. The main thing, basically, it's a step before the main thing. It's just to see if it actually will work, and then if it does, they will move on to the next stage, and that's phase 1 complete. So it's 2 phases in phase 1. Okay, so preliminary results, you've probably seen it in the website that I've given you, how you can track it your own. Simply means that it's just a demo, but it will matter, but not much. So if there's any negative result here, they will scrap the whole thing. Okay, so make sure you focus on that date, September 24th. Have a look at their website, or even September 23rd. They will release it before market open or during market open or after hours, right? So keep an eye on their website. ZEAL, Z-E-A-L, at $14, September 28th. Now there's no specific date for this one. OMER at $26, September 2018 also. That's September 2018. There's no specific date for this one. ATRS at $2, third quarter, also September 2018. ATRS at $3.50, September 29th. CMRX at $4, that's 23rd and 26th. Between the 23rd and 26th, they will release something on their website, so stock it. NITE at $21, September 22nd. KNSA at $24, September 15th. So don't worry about the tickers, I'll have them in the description, guys, but make sure you understand this. Okay, penny stocks, they are risky if you don't know what you're doing. They're very risky, so don't invest in penny stocks, only day trade them. On the day we get the result, that's the catalyst that's going to influence the stock to shoot up in value or down in value. If it's positive, crystal clear positive, jump on the right side of it. You either buy it or wait on the sideline if you're unsure. But always look at pre-market to see where the market is going before pulling the trigger. And then jump in, take a few percentages and get out. You get out in 10-20 minutes and don't be greedy about it. Also, similarly, if you're going to short the penny stocks, short it. You can hold on or you can just take your money and go away, right? Without being greedy. If it's a mixed result, you stay on the sideline and don't be saying to yourself, wow, I missed that chance. I missed that spike, etc., etc. It's okay. It's okay to miss a spike. Don't beat yourself up for that. Especially if you lose money and the trend goes against you. Cut your losses short, because that's what we do as day traders. That's what we do as traders. We make money and we lose money, but our losses have to, basically our profits have to exceed our losses, and that's how we come out profitable. This is a business. The losses are the expenses of running a business. All right, so if this is our expenses, so we have to lose money, but we have to keep our expenses to a minimum, okay, and our profits to a max. So it's okay to say I'm wrong on a stock. It's okay to just, walk away from a stock and sell it when you're wrong. Don't hold on to it hoping and praying that it's going to go up in value. That doesn't work, because I know a lot of people will do that. Be like, please God, that's all I want. I'll pray for you. I'll pray to you once the spike goes up. But that doesn't work, guys. You have to take your losses. This is a business. This isn't a game of praying and hoping, right? This is a business. So if you're wrong on a stock, cut that loss short and wait for another opportunity in the market. Because if you get wiped out on one stock or you lose a big amount, you're just going to end up selling. But understand, losing and making money is part of the game. You have to have losses. It's guaranteed. Everybody has losses. Everybody's wrong at one stage of their life. So you don't have to be consistent in a way where every day you're making money. Nah. You can make money twice out of the 7 days or the 5 days in the market, and you'll still come out profitable because you kept your losses short. So that's what day trading is. I'll see you again for another, guys. Just like always, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I'm sorry for having this video late in the month. I guess it's only 5 days, and we had a stock called SGMO. If you have a look at it today, guys, where to some people, it might have came out with positive result, but it didn't. It came out with a mixed result. If you look deep into it, that was on the 5th. I gave that on my Patreon account. I said, guys, SGMO, the day for that will be September 5th. And September 5th, they did release a result. But that was a short position where you would actually have to short that stock instead of buying it because it was a mixed result. So you could have shorted it or stayed on the sideline if you weren't sure, but it wasn't a positive result because the company itself wasn't sure of the drug itself. So if the company lacks confidence, right, how do you think investors are going to feel? Obviously less confident also. So the outlook of that stock, if you look at it, at the article they released, it was, I guess, positive, but it wasn't. Inside it was negative. Inside it was mixed. Have a look at the article, and that is an example of a stock that could deceive you, and that's where you'll end up losing money. You're thinking that it's positive result, but it's not. It's actually mixture. It's not a mixture to the extreme where you say, okay, this stock is going to slump to the max. Nah. It's a mixture to a certain way that says, okay, I don't know if I'm going to buy this stock or short it, but I'm just going to sell it. I'm going to sell my shares. That's what investors have done, and that's why the stock dropped down in value. So there isn't many shorters in that market just yet in that stock. So I just want to give you that example, so maybe you'll have a look at it. And for future reference, you'll understand what to do and what not to do also. But have a look at the rest of my videos to understand how we day trade penny stocks. Alright? So, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'll leave the stocks in the description for you guys to have a look. Again, trade without emotions. See you again for another.